Today, we came to Shanfeng, scenic area Chongren.
To enjoy the beautiful rapeseed flowers. Oh, look!
They're so pretty.
油菜花太美了。
Very poetic. We rarely see such a continuous sea of flowers in my country. This is a natural oxygen bar. Rich music, flowers, and sunshine. All the stress is gone. Weekends in the Chinese countryside are so amazing.
It's actually relaxing and it's actually enjoyable. I'm also a dancer, and I feel like how the culture is it, and especially dancing like this, like a dragon.
It was amazing, like to search for egg. It was like literally a good experience. I really enjoy it.
So today's afternoon we're going to explore the smart factory in this city. Hidden in Chongren, Fuzhou is a factory that provides the smart herd for the entire city.
These devices are truly amazing. They represent cutting-edge technology on a global scale.
It is absolutely amazing how these machines are able to create such specific parts for the transformers and the high-capacity voltage boxes. Every single line you see, every single sheet of metal you see is specifically designed for those transformers and the equipment that IFA is currently making.
Wow, today felt like a dream. In the morning, I admired the beautiful rapeseed fields and shades shaking until I was sweating profusely. In the afternoon, standing inside the factory, I was left speechless by sheer awe. From the laughter in the fields to the heartbeat of the fisher. This is the Chongren I saw, and this is the China I wanted to see.